Making kids nursery rhymes videos has become very easy with AI. With just a few tools, you can make something like this. Here is how you can do it, and here is everything that you need. So first we'll need a song generator, then we'll need an image generator and a video generator. Then you can combine everything using a video editing software. Let me show you. So for the first one, we're going to generate a song. So if you want, you can use Suno for this, or you can use LearnHive. So when you go to learnhive.com and you log in, you'll be taken to this page. Once you're here, you can just scroll down to the audio section, and here you can click on generate song. There are different models here that you can use. So if you click on this one, you can see all these models can be used to generate a song. I'll just leave it at this model. Here you can put in your prompt or your lyrics. So here is a song that I want to generate. We have the verse here, the chorus, the verse, and another verse, and you can use the same format for any other model that you choose here. Then once you have your song there, you can just scroll down and click create, and after it finished generating, this is the song that I got. Actually, I tried a few different versions, but this is the one that I liked. Okay, now that we have the song, and before we can do anything else, just make sure that we cut this song into smaller pieces so that we can animate them easily. Now to do that, you can go back to the audio section here, and you can click on audio trimmer. Here you can upload your song, the song that we just created. Okay, so this is our song, just to make sure. Okay, there we have it. So I want to cut it into 10-second clips. You can do 5 seconds, it works best so that your visuals will be changing every 5 seconds. And this is exactly what I do for my final product. Let's do 10-second segments. So for the first one, we're going to start at 0 seconds and we're going to end at 10 seconds here. Once you do that, you can see this is a piece we're going to chop off. You can click on trim selection. Okay, so this is our first trimmed clip. So if you play it, okay, so that's 10 seconds. You can download it and you can go back here. So the next one will end at 20 seconds and it will start at 10 seconds. So that will be that section here. Again, you can trim it and we have it right there. So you can continue doing that until you have your entire song trimmed. Okay, now that we have the song segments that we can use for the video, we can move on to the images. So before we do the video, let's generate the images first of all. So to create the images, you can use some of the best image models like Nano Banana, GPT Image 2, or Seedream 5 Pro. In my case, I use the combination of Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2. So if you want to generate the image on LearnHive, you can just scroll down to the image section here and you can click on create photos, and when you are here you can choose the model that you want to use. So you just click the drop down and you have all these amazing models. So I'll start with GPT Image 2 here, and the ratio will be 16:9 so that it should be in landscape. So for the first image, you want to make your characters. So to generate my starting photo, I used this simple prompt. I said the pixel style image of a teacher wearing a black orange dress, a 6-year-old wearing this, a 4-year-old wearing this, and a 3-year-old wearing those. This should be on a white background, and I generated 2 for this. I wanted to have an option, and after generating I got these 2 results. So I went with the first one. I thought it was better than the other one. So now we have the base image. We can use it to generate other images. So to do that, you can go to the image section here and you can click on edit photos. Here we upload the base image that we just made. Okay, using this image that we just made, we can make other images. For example, in the other image, I want this boy and this girl to be playing by the lake because this song is about the lake. So I just said something like, the boy wearing a red shirt is playing with the girl wearing a floral green dress by the lake. Now when I generated this one, I realized that each time I do this edit, the lake will be different. So I also uploaded an image of the lake, and after doing that, this is the result that I got. Then I did many other edits, combining the boy with the other one, the girl and the girl, the teacher with everyone else, and all the different variations. So here are all the different variations that I did. And now that we have our images, it's time to generate the videos with the actual lip syncing. So we want these characters to be singing the song that we just made earlier on. So to do that, we'll just go to the video section here. So I'll click on this, then we can click on avatar here. So we have different models here. So if you click on this one, all these models can be used for lip syncing. So in our case, we're going to use Pruna AI avatar. It's fast and it's cheap. It doesn't consume a lot of credits. So just click on it. And for the mode, we'll leave it on use audio. The resolution, you can pick the one that you want. I'll leave it on 720p. Then here we can upload the audio. So we are going to upload those short segments that we made earlier on, that were trimmed from our main song. So we're going to click on this. That's our audio there. We can play it. Okay, we are also going to upload the image here. For a start, I want the image where all of them are there, so that we have our establishing shot as the song starts. Then for the prompt here, you don't have to do much since we already have the song and the picture. The AI will do the rest, but we can say the characters are singing and dancing. And once you do that, just click generate. And after generating, this is the result that I got. So you do the same for all the 8 segments of your song. So you can just remove this one, then you can upload the second segment of the song, you remove this image, then upload another image, and you keep doing this until you do for all the 8 segments. After doing everything, we have the song and we have the videos, and we can just put them together using a video editing software. So you can use any video editing software that you're familiar with. In my case, I used CapCut. Okay, so once you're here, you bring in your assets by going to import here. So I have my assets there. So you can just bring them in the timeline one by one. So this was our first one. You have the second one. And you do the same for all of them. If we play this one, this is what we get. Okay, so to make it smooth, I'll just get the original audio, the full song, I'll just drag it below here. Then I'll switch off the audio for this one. This way the characters are synced, but to the song that is below that has no cuts, so that those cuts are smoothed out. And play it from here. Splash, 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 Lake Kariba. Splash, 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 Bangwe Ulu. Splash, 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 splash with me. Splash, splash, splash. Okay, you get the idea. So you can go ahead and add the intro, add edits, cut out the parts that are not okay, generate other parts, add fillers or things like that. So in my case, after adding everything else, including the captions, I got this. So that's the idea. That's how easy it is to make nursery rhymes with AI. If you want to see how you can edit your videos using Gemini Omni, that video is up here. I'll see you over there.